Nazis. Your incomprehensible actions, and your reluctance to accept the freedom and equality that every single human being possesses by right from birth, causes the birth to hatred and worldwide racism. After the First World War, your ideology plunged the world into chaos. You took over a plague, known as anti-Semitism, and made sure that racism was drilled into our collective consciousness, in order for humanity to accept these crude ideas as given, mostly without ever questioning them. Your misdirected politics and your hate-filled crusade against humanity have not only blurred your perception, but also affected countries worldwide. You have robbed irretrievable evidences of history as well as valuable art objects and architectural structures which belong to mankind, all part of the cultural heritage of humanity. You are anxious to cause trouble between continents, which involve the collapse of political dialogues. The result, the Cold War, lasted for years and its voice still echoes today. The Holocaust against the Jewish, the Sinti and the Roma, your so-called euthanasia, imposed on disabled people, all of them are considered the cruel climax of the Second World War, to a cost of 6 million innocent people's lives. You have combined the ideals of industrialization with the abomination of mass murder, a circumstance that led to destruction of human life, in a scale never seen before. All these are known facts, and yet you are still following and spreading such ideals, in order to enhance the symbolism of this despicable hate further. You are still causing injuries and killing people who have done nothing against you, and yet you do it partly out of disgust or simply for your own personal pleasure. You intimidate people that go on the streets, protest for their ideals, and attack your political opponents, thus you deny them the right of free speech. Yet you hypocritically demand this exact same right of free speech for yourself, and throw the dirt in the form of agitation that art around you. You attack journalists and the media in general. You attack members of the opposing parties, and equally you attack refugees and immigrants who live and work in your home country. These people simply had to leave their native countries because of suppression of misery. This behavior can no longer be tolerated. You have convicted yourself to many crimes against humanity. With this hypocritical attitude and your drive to become the mirror of your inspirational criminals, you have brought the attention of the collective known as Anonymous upon yourself. In this case, this attention implies the taking of crucial actions against your actions. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.